Indian firm Beta Aeronautics has partnered with the UAE-based Mira Aerospace to manufacture an India-specific high-altitude platform system or Pseudo Satellite. HAPS under Make-1 project launched and funded by the Indian Air Force, will be capable of carrying a minimum 35 kg payload and sustaining operations at an 18,000 meters altitude for a minimum of 30 to 45 days. The Russian military has resumed large-scale production of 3-ton FAB-3000 bombs, equipped with 1.4 tons of TNT explosive material. The blast radius of FAB-3000 bombs is approximately 900 meters, posing significant destruction to targets such as buildings or military installations. The latest images of China's KJ-600 carrier-based airborne early warning aircraft have surfaced on Chinese social media, showcasing its gray color scheme. Powered by twin turboprop engines with crew of 4 to 6 members, it is equipped with large radar dome positioned above the fuselage. Chinese ZBD-09 infantry fighting vehicles have been spotted with metal screens atop their turrets, reminiscent of those used by Russian and Ukrainian tanks. These screens are designed as an additional layer of defense, primarily intended to offer protection against unmanned aerial vehicles.